Good morning. I am Prajualit Tickoo of class 10th A of Dalhousie Public School, Dalhousie, and today I am going to present a seminar of science through this presentation. What is a spice? A spice is an aromatic or pungent vegetable substance used to flavor food. Spices are distinguished from herbs, which are the leaves, flowers, or stems of plants used for flavoring or as a garnish. Spices are sometimes used in medicine, religious rituals, cosmetics, or perfume production. Talking about the history of spice in Kerala, the spices of Kerala date back to thousands of years in the history of the state. In the ancient times, Kerala rose to fame all around the world solely on the basis of the riches brought into the state because of its monopoly over spices. Musiri, the ancient port of Kerala, became the base of world spice trade almost ages ago. It is sometimes said the Western colonization in India was the attempt of the West to control the spice trade from the state. The arrival of Vasco da Gama in India and its spice trade was the result of the same. In the last 10 years, international spice trade has grown to around 5 lakh tons of spices and also of herbs of over 1,500 million US dollars. It is no exaggeration that a major chunk of this trade is still from Kerala. Now, we will be discussing about some important spices found in Kerala. Pepper. Kerala is famed for the production and export of this one of the most sought after spices, pepper, which is also known as the king of spices. Today, used all around the world, probably it is one of the earliest known spices. Pepper of Kerala reached Europe through the Arab traders. Europe saw great potential in pepper and it brought trader, wars and colonial rule to India. This spice is grown in both lowlands and high ranges of the state. It is also used for its amazing medicinal properties. Cardamom. One of the most highly prized spices, cardamom is as old as the human civilization. This queen of spices is grown on the slope of the Western Ghats in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. The cultivation of cardamom started in the southern region of India in the ancient times. The best variety of cardamom is found in India, with amazing cultivation, processing techniques, and aroma. Clove, an important part of the early spice trade. Clove is believed to be indigenous to the spice islands of Indonesia. In Kerala, cloves are grown in the Kottayam, Trivandrum, Kozhikode, and Kollam districts. It was the East India Company who introduced the cultivation of cloves in 1800 AD in Tamil Nadu. Clove is a flavoring agent and is also popular as a local anesthetic for toothaches. Cinnamon. An important ingredient of the spicy Kerala cuisine, cinnamon is extensively grown in one or two locations in the state but mainly originated in Sri Lanka. This spice is light brown in color and is also milder in flavor in comparison to other spices. Cinnamon has high antioxidant activity and along with being used in food, it also has medicinal properties. Ginger. Ginger can rightly be called the most important spices, which is also valued the most. This spice is used in a number of cuisines in the world. It is widely grown in Kerala. Ginger is used extensively in many dishes, pickles, and fresh juices. It is also used in cakes, biscuits, and cookies for flavoring purposes. Ginger also has medicinal values. At last, I hope that the viewers would have come to know a lot more about Kerala. Thank you.